Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Ace 2V, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, in the messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen and then enter the settings which are in this panel. Now let's tap on the languages, and here we've got the list of currently added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard to be transferred to this full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. And basically all you have to do is to find your language and tap on it, and let me pick Urdu. Of course, tap on the region I want to set. And here we've got the keyboard types. Depending on the language, you will have different amount of the keyboards. I believe even up to 7 different keyboard types from which you can choose. So basically, the rule is that you have to mark the layout you want to apply and untick the option you don't want to use. So as you can see, I will pick this graphic option. So let's tap on done. We've got the Urdu applied. So we've got 2 different languages. Let's go back to the keyboard, and here we've got, and we will have 2 differences. The first one, the globe icon, which will allow us to change the layout. So simply tap on it, and we've got the Urdu one. Tap on it again, and something happened. I have no idea what. But still, we've got the 2 different languages applied. And we've got also the second difference, so the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now, we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So basically, this is how to add the language to the keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because if you want to apply only one language which is different than the system one, you don't need like 2 or 3 different or another languages added. So let's enter the settings, tap on the languages, and if you've got 2 different languages or 3 or more, simply tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now you have to mark the languages you want to remove. So I will remove Urdu, I want to leave English, and then tap on the trash bin icon in the right upper corner again. And as you can see, we've got only English left, which simply means that we will have only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.